How to add coupon on Shein app and apply Shein codes. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can add coupon codes on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might want to apply coupon codes in order to get some discounts, and in order to do this all you have to do is first of all launch the Shein app on your phone. Once you launch the Shein app, here you want to make sure to first of all add the products that you want to buy to your cart, right? And once you've added them to the cart, just tap the shopping bag icon from here. Once you tap the shopping bag icon, for once and for all just make sure to review the products that you want to buy, then tap the checkout button here. Once you tap the checkout button, by default if you've not already added an address, you can make sure to enter the address, select your shipping method, and under payment method you can choose to pay with credit card, PayPal, Venmo, or any other cards as well. Now if you want to apply a coupon code, here you'll find a section where it says apply voucher, where you need to simply just tap on the apply voucher button. And when you tap on apply voucher, all you need to do is make sure to select one of the vouchers that are available. If you want to get a free shipping, here you have a specific voucher. If you want to get 15% off, here you have this voucher as well. And then once you apply a specific voucher, you can just tap on the apply button, and now just tap and continue. You're going to get certain amount of discount based on the voucher that you've added. That is how you can add coupon code on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.